Hi guys. So thought I'd just take this opportunity to have a look at LinkedIn Learning, which was lynda.com, but let's call it LinkedIn Learning as that's what it is now. You can see I've logged in from the link that CPUT sent me on the email, and you can see I'm logged in here, top right hand corner, with as the CPUT logo. So this is your opening screen. I've played around here a bit, so I've already got some top picks going on over here. And the usual stuff, trending, learning 30 minutes, etc. And LinkedIn Learning has got a massive um, index of training videos you can watch. But just perhaps to navigate around it, dropping down here onto browse, you can see in the business section there's a lot of stuff over here. Got some Excel if you want to advance in Excel and that. And although it says training and education here, I'm going to go down here to the creative section. So we've got business, creative, technology, and then this is Cape Peninsula if there's anything that's put up there that's worth sharing with the community. So if we go to creative, you'll see it's three sections: subjects, software, and learning paths. So in subjects, for instance, got some photography, some graphic design, animation, illustration, also user experience. That'll come in handy for advanced diploma and postgrad diploma, and of course video as well as web design as well. And then under the software column, you can see our classics of Illustrator, InDesign, Photoshop being our three stalwarts. And then we've got over here After Effects as well. We've got a bit of Lightroom, Premiere Pro, other softwares that we actually train on. Of course, See All will take you to even more. These I find quite interesting as well. These are what they call learning paths. And over here, for instance, you can say become a graphic designer or become a digital illustrator or become a motion graphics artist, photographer, etc. I'm going to click on become a graphic designer. Okay, takes us to this area here. You'll notice that it's a 22-hour course. It's got 11 items. What is graphic design? That's only 2 minutes. Then graphic design careers, first steps, 20 minutes. Then you get down into some nitty gritty. So you've got introduction to graphic design is 4 hours. Foundations, layout and composition, it's another 1.5 hours here. Of course, there's going to be typography, and that's 2.5 hours about. And then so you go down. There's color, then there's learning logo design, which I'm going to find quite useful, I believe, for the logo design project for first year students. Then we got some InDesign, introduction to Illustrator, etc. I'll have you know that David Blattner is sort of one of the legends of InDesign, as well as Deke McClelland, one of the legends of Illustrator. So it's good to see that their names are coming up as the trainers or the lecturers on these. Then there's also a little bit of Photoshop as well. So these are worth looking at if you were going to be using those softwares in your course or your level. And then this one here, I haven't really had a look at it. It's only 70 minutes. It looks like maybe a little design challenge, perhaps a little project there. So this fits in quite well with the first year logo project that's going to that we're going to be doing from the second term. I'll just go back quickly if I can, and then we back into this area here. So that's your kind of browse. So I'd say just as a start, have a look through here. And one thing that I have found that, for instance, if I drop on Illustrator, you're going to find there's a hell of a lot of courses. There's actually hundreds. They'll just keep growing. So you've got to use this index on the side here to try and sort them out. For instance, level, beginner, intermediate, advanced. So if you click on beginner, it'll most probably remove all the more difficult Illustrator projects or training sessions. So this is interesting here. This one here, it's a 5-hour Illustrator 2020 essential training. Of course, we've got to be aware that not all our students have access to software and machines as well, even though Adobe made it available. But once again, it's we have quite a unique situation with us. But just to show you, you can also, of course, upskill yourselves in this area as well. So I think for this little clip, I'm going to sign off and pick up perhaps a little bit later with maybe another video. Cheers for now on this one. Bye.